This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Today we have a little project where we need to replace the water filter in our Samsung refrigerator. Inside the door of our Samsung refrigerator is an indicator light that's blinking, telling us that it's time to replace our water filter. So the first step is to look at the inside door frame of your refrigerator and get the model number for your refrigerator. Then you can go online like we have and pick up your water filter. This is an Aqua Crest water filter. They come two to a package for about $19.99 on Amazon. Or you could get down to your local Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever you've purchased your refrigerator, and pick up a water filter there. Once you've got the correct water filter ordered and you receive it, then the next step is to change the filter in your refrigerator. We'll be doing that here in just a moment. Why don't you follow along? We're ready to replace the water filter here at our Samsung refrigerator. And first thing we'll need to do is cut this protective film off the outside of our filter. Each one's sealed like this. Okay. This one comes with a cap over the valve part of the filter. When we open our refrigerator, you'll find that our filter is installed down here at the very bottom of the refrigerator. Like I said before, every refrigerator might be a little different, so you'll have to adapt your instructions a little bit to however your refrigerator works depending on the brand. But in order to do this, all we're going to do is simply unlock our filter. And it used to be in the old days, you had to turn the water off to your refrigerator, but what they've done is now they have an internal water valve. So when you remove the filter, the water stops on its own. And actually, if you would turn the water off the refrigerator and change the filter, you might get a little air in the line and that sort of thing. So these days, you don't have to do that. So we're just gonna unlock our filter, our old filter, give it a turn, remove it just like that, install our new filter. And we're good to go for another several gallons. All we need to do now is to reset our filter indicator inside the door here. And to do that, it says to hold this ice maker button for 3 seconds. And that turns it off. Well, there you have it. This has been Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. We successfully changed the water filter in our Samsung refrigerator, and another project off the list. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll keep those videos coming. See you next time.